Now let us do the numericals of relative velocity. Here in this question, a boat is moving in the river with a speed of 5 km per hour in still water. River is flowing. River is flowing in this direction, and let the velocity of the river be u. Let the velocity of river be u, and the velocity of boat is v, that is 5 km per hour. The question is, it crosses the river of width 1 km in 15 minutes. So the width of this river is 1 km. Via shortest possible path. I have discussed the shortest possible path is the perpendicular distance OB. So we need to get this velocity. This distance is 1 km. So velocity along OB is V, capital V is equals to, speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance OB upon time. How much time? 15 minutes can be converted into hours. So OB is 1 km and time is 15 by 60. So it becomes 4 km per hour. So this velocity is relative velocity along shortest path, that is 4 km per hour, and you need to find the velocity of river. You need to find u. So in this right angle triangle, ABO, applying Pythagoras theorem, you are having these velocities. So you can see that OA square is equals to OB square plus AB square. So here you are having OA, that is small b square, capital B square plus u square. You need to find u square. So V is 5 square, 4 square plus u square. 25 minus 16 is equals to u square, which implies that u is 3 km per hour. This is the velocity of river flowing through which the boat will cross. So this is the velocity of river. This is how you will find the speed of river. Next question is, now the next numerical is, a man is moving with a speed of 4 km per hour. This is numerical number 39 on page 167. A man is moving with a speed of 4 km per hour towards north. So man is moving towards north. This is velocity of man. The rain is falling at a speed of 6 km per hour in the vertical downward direction. Rain is falling in the vertical downward direction. Vertically downward direction. This is velocity of rain, which is 6 km per hour, and this is 4 km per hour. Since both are moving, so they will form an angle This is velocity of rain 6 km per hour. And this is velocity of men. So the question is, to protect himself from the rain, in which direction should he tilt his umbrella? So you know the formula for the umbrella. So you can find tan theta. This will become VR. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base, that is 6/4. So this is 3/2, and therefore theta is tan inverse 3/2, which is equals to, you can write it or solve it. Theta is tan inverse 3/2 with, now here angle is with the vertical north, with vertical north. This is the formula I have told you in the topic when I discussed the relative velocity. So here the relative velocity, we can find 6/4. We can find the angle with which the umbrella can be tilted. So umbrella can be tilted at an angle of theta with the vertical normal at an angle of tan inverse 3/2. You can solve tan inverse 3/2 through your calculator. Now next question is again numerical number 41. Numerical number 41. This numerical on page 167 says that two trains are approaching each other on the same track. Two trains are approaching each other on the same track with constant speed. Approaching each other means one train is moving in this direction and other train is moving in this direction. This is train A and this is train B. It has velocity A at some instant and it has velocity B at some instant. Both are moving in opposite direction. VA is given as 60 km per hour and VB is given as 30 km per hour. Both are approaching each other at t equals to 0. That is when the start time is, the train starts, t equals to 0. The distance between the trains is 90 km. They are far away. The distance between trains is 90 km at t equals to 0 and both are moving in opposite direction. The question is, after how much time will they collide? After how much time will they collide? This distance before is 90 km. So let they collide after time t. As both are moving, so relative velocity of B with respect to A, that is VBA, will be VB plus VA, as both are moving in the same opposite direction. So it is 90 kilometer per hour. So as the relative velocity is 90 kilometer per hour, distance traveled is 90 kilometer. So the time, so VBA is equals to distance upon time. So time is equals to distance upon relative velocity. So it is after 1 hour they will collide. After 1 hour they will collide with each other. This is numerical number 41.